Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, fellow YouTubers. This is HB Maverick. We're going back to visit the California Picacho State Recreation Area. I did a solo tent camping trip last year, and this time came back to the same place, but with my wife and the tag trailer. Let's go. We're here for a 3-day weekend in May. The weather was warm, but not uncomfortable, even though it is a desert here. The campground was only 1/3 filled with lots of room to set up camp. In addition for this trip was my new DJI Spark drone. I was able to fly the drone at several locations during our camping trip, but on a couple occasions it was very windy. Picacho was a gold mining town on the Colorado River during the early 1900s. The town is located upriver from Yuma, Arizona, but on the California side. The remains of a stamp mill are located here, with a short hike from the road to see it. A stamp mill was used to crush the ore and extract the gold from it. We did the short hike and explored the ruins in the surrounding area. Our next stop was to Taylor Lake. It is a short drive to a reed-filled lake. There should be some good fishing here, but we did not try it on this trip. This is also a great place to see the migratory birds in the spring and fall. We did see some cranes here, as well as a few other birds. On our way out, we stopped for lunch on the Colorado River. We had lunch on the water, got wet, and was able to fly the drone over the river for some cool shots. This was also a boondocking test for our tag trailer. There are no electrical hookups and it was warm weather. Our refrigerator and lights worked for the 2 days using just solar power. For the third day, however, We had to go into town and get some ice for the cooler to augment the solar power. Overall, this was a relaxing trip, and the tag trailer worked out just fine for us. We will see you on the next adventure.